Welcome to my channel. Today you will learn how to create a glitch text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Next, go to the Effects panel, search for the VR Digital Glitch effect, and apply it to your text layer. Customize the glitch effect by adjusting distortion and noise settings in the Effect Controls panel. Play around with them and choose the details that you want. After selecting the details, position the timeline to the point where you want the glitch effect to start. Click Master Amplitude to create the keyframe, and since you want to start without any glitches, the master amplitude should be 0%. Move the timeline forward 3 frames and set the amplitude to 100%. Move the timeline 3 frames forward and set it at 0%. Now you have created the first glitch effect on the text layer, which now can be multiplied by copying and pasting it onto the layer to create the complete effect. Preview the effect by pressing the spacebar. You'll see the text glitching in an engaging and dynamic way. Now you know how to create a glitch text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.